Hello, teachers, and welcome back. It's James. You're looking at my lesson plan for September 2020. As always, I always ask my students, how are you? And I want them to answer it like this. I'm fine, thank you. And you? You can always get them to answer it differently. I'm tired, I'm sleepy, I'm hungry, whatever. I would stick with this pattern of answering, I'm fine, thank you, and you, because I want them to be familiar with saying, I'm fine, rather than good, or tired, or sick. My expected answer, I'm fine, thank you, and you, may sound robotic to you, but I would stick with this pattern till they get used to it. Slide 2. Next, you're going to want to do some warm-up questions. Greetings. 1. What is your name? I'm or my name is. 2. How do you spell your name? For example, James, James. 3. What is your family name? My family name is whatever. 4. How old are you? I'm, for example, 11 years old, or just I'm 11. 5. What grade are you in? Get them to answer it like this. I'm in the first grade, second grade, third grade, all the way to the 6th grade. 6. What elementary school do you go to? I go to Sakura Elementary School. 7. What English school do you go to? I go to ABC English School. 8. Where do you live? I live in Kobe. 9. Where are you from? I am from Canada. Get your students to say, I am from Japan. Slide 4. How many days are in a week? There are 7 days in a week. If your students are comfortable with English, get them to say there are rather than 7 days or 7 days in a week. Slide 5. Days of the week. It's a very good idea to review the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. If you watch my other videos, you'll hear me sing Sunday, Monday. Anyway, you can ask, what day is it today? Get them to answer it like this. Today is Monday, or it's Monday. If your students are advanced, ask them, what day was it yesterday? They should answer it like this. Yesterday was Sunday, or it was Sunday. Also ask, what day will it be tomorrow? They should say it like this. Tomorrow will be Wednesday, or it will be Wednesday. Use this in your repertoire every week. Slide 6. How many months are in a year? There are 12 months in a year. Once again, if your students are comfortable with English, get them to use there are, pluralize, emphasize that it's plural. Slide 7. Go over the 12 months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Ask, what month is it? They'll say, it's September. Then ask, when is your birthday? They can answer it like this. It's in February, or it's on February 21st. Make sure your students know ordinal numbers. Slide 8. Have a calendar ready and ask, what is the date today? They'll say, it's September 10th or September 10th. If you're familiar with Japanese holidays, there are 2 holidays in September. One is Keiro no Hi, that is Senior's Day, and Shubu no Hi, which is Autumn Equinox Day. You can ask, when is Keiro no Hi? Or, when is Shubu no Hi? For either question, they have to answer it in English. Oh, by the way, Keiro no Hi, Senior's Day, is on September 21st. And Shubu no Hi, Autumn Equinox Day, is on September 22nd. Slide 9. Ask, how many seasons are there? There are 4 seasons. Again, get your students to say there are rather than 4 seasons. The more they say that pattern, the more accustomed they'll be. Slide 10. Review the 4 seasons. Ask them, what season is it? They should answer it like this. It's summer, or it's autumn or fall, it's winter, it's spring. Slide 11. Review different weather patterns. Sunny, cloudy, stormy, snowy, rainy, and windy. Ask, how's the weather today? They should answer it like this. It's sunny, it's cloudy, or it's snowy and rainy. You can also ask, is it windy? They should answer it like this. Yes, it is, or no, it isn't. This type of question allows your students to see how the word is used as a question, and the answer has to be yes, it is, or no, it isn't, rather than yes, I do, or no, I don't. Slide 12. Expressions. Where are you going? あなたはどこに行きますか? Where are you from? あなたはどこの出身ですか? Do you have any brothers or sisters? あなたは兄弟いますか? Is that a kite? それはタコですか? Can I help you? 手伝いましょうか? What's your favorite TV program? あなたは一番好きなテレビ番組は何ですか? Whose turn is it? 次誰の番ですか? How much is it? これはいくらですか? May I come in? 入ってもいいですか? Is this a jump rope? これは jump rope ですか? Is it red? それは赤ですか? I made a mistake. 間違えました. If you spotted that I made a mistake with the translation, I'm sorry about that. Make sure your students understand these expressions. Then go over some possible answers. For example, where are you going, James? I am going to the drugstore. Slide 13. Parts of the body. Go over the parts of the body. Head, face, eyebrows, eyes, ears, nose, cheeks, mouth, lips, teeth, chin, neck, shoulders, arms, elbows, hands, legs, knees, toes, feet. Make sure your students understand these body parts. Then you can sort of test them by saying, touch your chin. And they would find their chin and touch it. Touch your arms. Don't let them just touch one arm. It has to be 2 arms because it's plural. Slide 14. Places. Convenience store. Flower shop. Aquarium. Bookstore. Department store. Fire station. Hotel. Hospital. Stadium. Police station. Restaurant. Airport. Bank. Castle. Hair salon. Drugstore. Stationery store. Movie theater. Museum. Make sure your students understand the names of these places and to repeat after you. You can get them to point to the place that you call out. Say, point to the stationery store. Point to the stadium. Point to the fire station. Or you can ask, Where is the stadium? They should answer it like this. It's here. Slide 15. Action words. Carry, whistle, travel, yawn, sell, whisper, want, call, hit, forget, lend. Make sure your students understand these action words. Then you can get them to pantomime. So, whisper. And they would have to whisper in a soft voice. Of course, as the teacher, you must demonstrate these action words. Try to animate everything. Be lively when you do the gestures. And this concludes my lesson plan for September. I have a couple of optional things that you can do. I have I spy for slides 16 and 17. Call out some words and get your student or students to find them. Thank you for watching and good luck. Bye.